You know, I said that I'd lost that penetrator that I made, the extra one. I found it. It's there, welded into this hatch that I made. This is a test plate. I made this to test the dome on Jodie B. So what I did is I just knocked up this plate and bolted it, or just clamped it to the other side of the dome, and then we went and dumped it into 60 meters of water. So that's the penetrator there. I just put that in just to block the hole, because it had a hole in the middle from where it was spun. So that's where my spare penetrator got to. Right, I'm going to finish off these mechanical penetrators. So conveniently the diagram is full size, so you can see. So we've got to go, that's 1/4 inch, and the actual O-ring groove itself is 1/4 inch from each end, and it's 0.12 width, between 1.2 and 0.125. So that's 1, 2, 3 there, which is 3 mil. 0.12 is 3.0, so it's just over 3 mil. So these are carbide grooving tools that I bought specifically to do these when I did the original ones, and these are, look at it, oops, 3.01, so that they are 3 millimeters. So this, I mean, it's going to be a 3 mil groove, 3 mil groove, 1/4 inch in. Okay, I've put the grooving tool in, lined everything up, centered it up. I've set my DRO to 0, zeroed everything off. So we should be able to first attempt, I kind of messed these up really. I'll tell you what I did. I looked at the plans here, and I had 3 millimeters in the brain for the O-ring groove, so I went 3 millimeters deep. So that's just too much. This needs to be 2.5 mil deep. So they're gone. Is it because you're a complete muppet? No, that's not actually true. No, it was Jodie. Jodie did it. I'm dead. So here's 2 I prepared earlier. So I've had to remake the whole thing again, but it's difficult to see. But there's the O-ring groove inside there and there, both sides. Can you see it? Oh, you can. That's better. Oh yeah, there. 16 mil bore with a 3 mil O-ring groove, and only 2.5 mil deep, not 3, which is a bit of a stupid thing to do, really.